Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to start earning your own money but weren't sure how to do it? As a teenager trying to save up some cash for expenses or fun purchases, finding ways to earn an income online can be extremely valuable. I know when I was younger, I wished I had some strategies to start generating some side income. So today, I am going to be sharing the top 4 legit methods for teens under 18 to make money online. All of these have worked for me or other teens I know, and some can be quite lucrative if you invest your time wisely. Here is an explanation of affiliate marketing as a method for teens to earn money online. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for influencers, bloggers, and everyday social media users to monetize their online content by earning commissions promoting other companies' products or services. As a teenager getting started, affiliate marketing works by finding relevant affiliate programs to join, then creating content on blogs, YouTube, Instagram, etc. that reviews, discusses, or highlights certain products you've applied to promote. For example, you could become an affiliate for Amazon Associates, find products you genuinely like on Amazon, then write blog-style reviews of those items that include your unique affiliate link. When one of your followers clicks your affiliate link and completes the defined action, like making a purchase or account sign-up, you earn an attractive commission, typically 10% of the sale or around $20 per new account. Top affiliate marketers easily make over $1,000 per month working just a few hours per week once their follower base is large enough. Some key tips are to always disclose your affiliate relationships. Build trust by recommending only products you would buy yourself, promote high-ticket items for bigger commissions, and create detailed money-focused reviews via quick shoutouts. Overall, affiliate income can become a very lucrative stream for teens who love creating online content around topics they truly enjoy and engage with. Just drive lots of relevant traffic, deliver value, and watch your monthly affiliate commissions stack up. The keys are providing genuine value for your audience first and foremost, while integrating affiliate program promotion secondarily in a transparent way. By maintaining trust and authority on subjects you have passion for, the income possibilities over time are extremely promising. The next one is becoming an influencer on social media platforms. As a teen, you likely already spend a good amount of time scrolling Instagram or TikTok. Why not try going viral and getting paid for your posts? If you have a niche interest or talent like comedy, fashion, dance, etc., you can grow an audience of followers across various apps. Then you can make money through the affiliate links, sponsorships, and creator funds programs many platforms offer once you hit certain follower milestones. The top teen TikTokers earn well into 6 figures a year. Freelancing your skills online is also a great option. Websites like Fiverr allow you to become a seller that buyers hire for one-off gigs. Offer services like graphic design, social media management, photography, data entry, transcription, and more. Build up your portfolio and gigs completed, and you can even raise your rates over time as you gain more positive reviews. It's easy money that can be done on a flexible schedule. Finally, I recommend reselling or drop shipping products through sites like eBay and Etsy. Find cheap inventory from wholesalers online that you can market and resell at a markup. Or use drop shipping to sell trendy products you fulfill orders for through third-party suppliers that ship directly to customers. It takes work to find what sells and scale up your store's inventory, but this business model can generate over $1,000 per month if you get good at it. So there you have it: online surveys, social media influencing, freelancing your skills, and e-commerce arbitrage/dropshipping. Those are my top 4 recommendations of proven ways for teens under 18 to earn income online. The best part is that by investing your time into these side hustles now, you're building long-term income streams that can pay off big time by setting you up financially for adulthood. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which online money-making method you're going to try out first.